Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal on insurance in India being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 4 decades of publication in the year 2020. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. IDBI Federal Life Insurance launches Guaranteed Income Plan. IDBI Federal Life Insurance has launched a non-linked, non-participating life insurance plan titled IDBI Federal Life Insurance Guaranteed Income Plan. The plan provides a combination of life insurance and guaranteed returns and offers a choice of income and endowment options on the basis of an individual's financial needs and life goals. The new plan is a comprehensive solution offering both life protection and guaranteed returns. Future Generali India Insurance to roll out Total Health Score. Considering the higher incidence of mental health issues in India, especially during the ongoing pandemic, Future Generali India Insurance Company Limited announced the launch of an online mental health assessment test, Total Health Score. This unique self-assessment will enable an individual to evaluate the quality of one's mental well-being. The Total Health Score is a questionnaire and API-based assessment that is designed by practicing therapists and counselors who understand the early signs of potential mental health issues. Once the individual completes the assessment, he or she will be attributed a score that outlines the current state of his or her mental health. In addition, he or she will have access to self-care content to understand and manage various mental health issues like stress, anxiety, depression, and other related concerns. IRDAI invites comments for amendments in insurance advertisement regulations. In order to protect the interest of policyholders, IRDAI has proposed to prohibit insurers from issuing advertisements that make claims which are beyond reasonable expectations of performance. According to IRDAI, the unfair and misleading advertisements will include those which fail to clearly identify the product as insurance and describe benefits that do not match the policy provisions. IRDAI has invited comments from stakeholders on the exposure draft on insurance advertisements and disclosure by November 10. As per the draft, all insurance advertisements should ensure that communications are clear, fair, and not misleading, whatever be the mode of communication. LIC launches its new deferred annuity plan, Jeevan Shanti. Life Insurance Corporation of India has introduced its new Jeevan Shanti plan recently. It is a new deferred annuity plan which is a non-linked, non-participating individual single premium plan. The annuity rates for the new Jeevan Shanti plan are guaranteed at the inception of the policy, and annuities are payable after the deferment period throughout the life of the annuitant, LIC said in a statement. The plan comes with 2 annuity options, deferred annuity for single life and deferred annuity for joint life. Under the deferred annuity for single life plan, the annuity payments shall be made in arrears for as long as the annuitant is alive after the deferment period and according to the chosen mode. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. The USP of the course is video lectures on each module, special crafted topics by experts to help in practical application in risk management. View the lectures at your convenient time 24/7. View recorded versions of live sessions. Attempt quiz in each module to check your level of understanding. additional reading material on each topic with latest reports on risk management around the world. Get dual certification from Risk Management Association of India and Association of Internal Control Professionals, London. Highly subsidized course in comparison to similar international courses. Join the course today. For any query, please reach out to us on 907 37910022 or 82320 or email us at info@rmiindia.org or visit our website www.rmiindia.org. Welcome back after the break. IRDAI sets up panel to examine need for standard cyber liability insurance product. IRDAI has set up a panel to explore possibility of a basic cyber liability standard product to provide insurance cover to individuals and companies to manage their cyber risks. The standard liability policies do not cover cyber risks, and most of the current cyber insurance policies are customized according to the need of the client. The panel has been asked to study various statutory provisions on information and cybersecurity and to evaluate critical issues involving legal aspects of transactions in cyberspace. It will also examine various types of incidents involving cybersecurity in the recent past and cyber liability insurance covers available in Indian market. IRDAI noted that amid the COVID-19 pandemic, there are rising incidences of cyber attacks and a growing number of high-profile data breaches. Supreme Court upholds the maxim of utmost good faith in disclosure of pre-existing diseases in proposal form. In a recent judgment, the Supreme Court, while setting aside the verdict of the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, said the contract of insurance is of utmost good faith and a proposer who seeks to obtain life insurance policy is duty bound to disclose all material facts bearing upon the issue. A bench headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud noted that the proposal form requires a specific disclosure of pre-existing ailments so as to enable the insurer to arrive at a considered decision based on the actuarial risk. The bench noted the proposer had failed to disclose that he was suffering from pre-existing illness and also about vomiting of blood which had taken place barely a month prior to the issuance of policy. The investigation by the insurer indicated that the assured was suffering from a pre-existing ailment consequent upon alcohol abuse and that the facts which were in the knowledge of the proposer had not been disclosed, it said. Hence, appeal of the insurance company was upheld even though the court did not order the return of claim amount already paid to the claimant. ACCO partners with Bajaj Finserv subsidiary Finserv Markets. ACCO General Insurance has partnered with Finserv Markets, a fintech aggregator for offering 2 and 4-wheeler insurance policies. ACCO insurance can now be purchased by customers for their cars or bikes on the Finserv Markets platform. ACCO is offering value-added services like hassle-free claims, zero paperwork, 1-hour pickup, 3-day assured claim servicing and 1-year repair warranty in select cities. This is coupled with the option for instant cash settlements for low-value claims. Customers can select zero depreciation as an add-on. They can make payments via wallets, UPI or any saved card and the policy will be emailed within 2 minutes. A copy of the policy can also be downloaded from ACCO's Your Orders page. Andhra government to launch scheme providing free insurance to 1.41 crore workers in unorganized sector. Andhra Pradesh's government recently launched YSR Bima scheme. The scheme will cover 1.41 crores primary bread earners of BPL families belonging to the unorganized sector. The state government will be funding the entire insurance scheme. The estimated value of the premium being paid by the government at this point in time is around 510 crores. This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition.